Katie just disposed of a dead lizard that was living in our house.
I tried to save him so many times. He ran away.
We actually have like a family of them. I mean, we're a breeding ground for lizards. I don't know if you can see lake back there, but we have our regular like 20-something lizards that we can count in the backyard every single day. They're just chilling.
Jurassic Park.
Say hi to Bilbo every time he jogs by. Which, by the way, he's in trouble right now because he's been growling at us when we try to ask for kisses. Not good. Hey everybody, what's up? It's an exciting new day here in Orlando. Just got my Poor Bear Stories hat. I got lucky. I think the guy messed up, or because I've ordered a couple other hats from him, he actually gave me 2 for the price of 1, which is really cool. They both look good in my opinion. Lots of interesting new things going on. Finished those 2 weddings. They turned out really great. Actually booked another wedding, which is great. I actually met a really cool former Green Beret who started up a company here. I'll show you the little sleep formula that he has, GBNT Sleep, Gorilla Grape flavored. And he hooked me up with a couple of them. Pipe Hitter, Raspberry Lemonade, Pineapple Watermelon, orange flavored. Can't wait to try it. Maybe I'll try out the Pineapple Watermelon today, pre-workout. I actually hope to help him with his branding, so hopefully we can work something out in the future. But in the meantime, just happy to try it out and see if it's good brand and share that with you guys. So let's do it. Pipe Hitter. Smells really good, tastes really good. We're gonna get shredded today. No, it's good. I actually just finished Jocko's pre-workout, get pretty amped on his stuff. Finished it, and so I'm looking forward to trying this Green Beret brand. So don't forget to support your veteran community. Got Bilbo in here, he's my little workout buddy. Kind of just chills, wanders around, smells stuff. There's actually something else that was pretty exciting, and I'll share that with you right now. Wonderful news, I am just now leaving my local airport. I just finished my drone exam. I'm pulling out of the property right now, gotta buckle up. But very, very excited. I'm officially a licensed drone pilot and remote operator. Wonderful, wonderful news. So on to bigger, better things. And if you are in the market or somebody like me, yeah. Long story short, for those of you who do not know how it works, in order to receive compensation for drone services, you have to get what's called a Part 107. And in order to do that, you need to take your drone exam, which was pretty tough. You actually had to study for it. 75% of what's on the drone exam is what is on a student pilot exam. So I really only have to learn a little bit more to become a student pilot, which is kind of funny. But anyways, lo and behold, I am a certified drone pilot. I can now do pretty cool corporate gigs. I can do inspections of buildings, skyscrapers, telephone lines, hard to reach areas. Those are kind of the more extreme gigs that pay very well. But on the flip side, I get to do more of what I love doing, which is add an extra angle, get an extra shot of a wedding that would look cool. And hopefully I can share some stuff with you very, very soon. If you do want to see some wedding footage, please let me know. I do have some. Hit me up. Yeah, let's get pumped.
Chris a call and see if he's interested. That's why I was kind of curious. Yep. So, and Pat, do you still have your excavator? Do you have your excavator out there? I do. Yeah, that's awesome. So there's an excavator. You get steel. I mean, wow. Said it was a nice house. But it was too big for them. Okay, so we were right.
You know, I'll say so far that the pre-workout is awesome. I will tag them on Facebook. I'll tag them, find them for you guys. Go try them out. Go try out this pre-workout, getting a good pump in. Support veteran brands, very important. I've got a call that I need to finish up here with a very important group to me. Look forward to telling you more about them later. Probably October, November of this year, we'll have some very cool stuff to announce for these guys right here. So stay tuned. Make sure you like and follow the page. If you don't already, subscribe on YouTube. And it's going to be a cool ride.
This is a picture of the auction. Massive compared to the one in Montgomery County. It's a massive auction. I wish Charlton Heston was still on. I do too. Hey Jake, how's that website coming?
Website has pretty much been on pause for a couple of weeks. I've been crazy busy, but I'm meaning to get to it on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday.
Sounds like your business is picking up. That's good news. Yeah, tell us about it.
Well, all good things. Just picking up little like short-term gigs, weddings. Actually got a gig from a huge church here in Orlando, which is looking like a good business partnership going forward. And doing some free stuff for like NGOs, nonprofits, and just trying to get the name out there. But you know, I've been told so long as you do the right thing, it'll come back to you.
Nice. I've been told the same thing. That's a candy buy. I'm just trying to do waiting. Well, I'm just trying to do the right thing. Still waiting. Anyone have any other business points?
Starting my company this month, it was kind of ridiculous. I think I went to Colorado twice. I'm going again to Colorado for my best friend Josh's wedding, and that'll close out July. I had a great little quick video shoot with a church here in downtown Orlando. I'm finishing up that edit hopefully today, delivering it to them by Monday, and hoping for more work with them in the future. It's gonna be great. You know, the theme is basically if you do a good job each time, you should walk away with some type of a referral, and I definitely have found that. So it's been rewarding working hard and letting people acknowledge that and appreciate that and watch it kind of grow. So on the horizon, I am finishing up a couple of edits, finishing up some wedding stuff, finishing up the cut for Legacies Alive, which is overdue. Unfortunately, I have been so all over the place, so busy that I haven't been able to focus my time on that, but it's gonna be great getting it to them. I know they're gonna be so excited to see all their hard work come to fruition, and it'll definitely serve them very well over the year to come and for the next events that they host. I guess with that said, if you have an event or if you know somebody that has an event that needs a videographer to capture it and to show it, don't hesitate to hit me up. And of course, once you watch the event highlight for Legacies Alive, you'll have a better idea of what that looks like. So your boy is drone certified and open for business. In a nutshell, I feel like, you know, July was basically the first month where I started my production company, and I feel like God was there the whole way. you know, it's like, I had numbers in my head. It was like, okay, if I do this amount of weddings, you know, if I can get this gig, I'll be able to pay my mortgage. And that's kind of like my goal. You know, my goal is to be able to pay the mortgage every month. And of course, want to get further than that. And there's a lot of things that I need to take care of, but that's my first goal, is to just pay the mortgage every single month. And so for doing a lot of non-profit and pro bono stuff and just totally unrelated stuff in the month of July, I did close out sort of above that mortgage goal. So all things said, I'm super, super grateful. I'm super excited, having a little bit of time to not stress about things, to catch my breath, to get ready to go into launch, and to focus on the house and the things that need to get done around the house, mowing the lawn, picking weeds, fixing stuff. I gotta actually go fix Katie's AC right now. But you know, I don't have to stress out about that stuff. And so I'm really, really grateful to be a business owner and to be pushing forward this way. I'm not deterred yet. I'm gonna forge on, and I'm super grateful for you guys that have referred business my way. Thank you. And looking forward to doing more. Josh with Spook Stock, thank you so much, man. I'm looking forward to you know, any shout outs, any promotional stuff. Super grateful for it all. So August, as of right now, is looking like a pretty slow month, but that gives me the opportunity to really write the roadmap. And I've been doing a lot of reading the Bible and working out, you know, focusing on my fitness routine, focusing on my spiritual and I guess mental. I probably need to put a little bit more into mental, to my growth. You know, I'm really proud. I'm really proud of where I am. I'm really proud that this month, despite being as busy as I was able to get my drone pilot license, and I'm looking forward to whatever lies ahead. So thanks for watching, and thank you guys so much for just the support, you know, whether it's the little like, the share, or even, you know, reaching out, letting me know that you're watching. That really does make a difference for me and continuing to do these. So thank you guys so much for your support. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one. So because I couldn't fix the AC in Katie's car, we bought her a new one.
I just sold my life away.
No. Only a couple years of payments. She got a new Toyota Highlander. Let's go ask her if she's excited. Katie, are you even excited?
We're talking about Chick-fil-A right now.
Yeah, but you have a new car. Are you even excited or no?
I'll be excited when I get inside of it.
Oh, okay.
Putting too much pressure on me.
I gotta go to work. So yeah.
Hi, I'm Steve Jackson.
And I'm Leah Jackson, and we're here with some very exciting news. We're kicking off the Shining His Light Capital Campaign for Downtown Baptist Orlando.
And what's really exciting is this sign right here we've had since 1977. We get the opportunity to replace it with the first digital sign in the historic district allowed.
And what's more, we're updating the landscaping.
That's right, Leah. We're setting the groundwork for the future.
We're going to have all new irrigation, landscape lighting. It's going to be beautiful. But wait, there's more.
We're in the education building right now. We're making changes, and we're starting down at the end of the hallway by the library, and we're going to go all the way down through the other end in room 106 and room 107 and into the fellowship hall. And this is going to create a new pathway of light.
It'll be so aesthetically pleasing and welcoming to our church family and all our guests.
Yes.
We're so busy during the week now. We have Mommy and Me, Ladies Bible Study, Men's Bible Study, Wednesday night dinners.
So you're invited to join us as we transform a life, a church, and a city.
So Steve,
Yes,
how much money do we need?
I'm glad you asked. We are looking to raise $130,000 to reach all 4 projects. That would be the monument sign, the landscaping, the carpet, and the secondary sign.
So church family, won't you join us and pray so that together we can make an impact tomorrow, today.